What is going on, Lake Pro Tackle fam? Hope you're having an amazing day today. We're getting in nice and close for today's video. We've got some really cool stuff from the International BKK catalog that I've been testing the past 2 years and finally want to release to y'all. Guys, this has been an absolute journey. After I met one of the guys that works for the BKK International, I have been fortunate enough to try these hooks, and let me tell you, they have not disappointed. I have put these through, tests upon tests upon tests. The reason it took so long to actually get these in was I just wanted to put them through like a full year cycle of fishing in the summer, fishing in the fall, the spring, the winter, all times a year while trying these out. Now, you've probably seen this before. This package is the tungsten version of the exact hooks we're going to be talking about here. Tungsten prices, however, are going through the roof. I'm talking quadrupling, even 6 timesing what the normal price was about a year and a half ago. The reason why we are moving over to this lead version is, number one, price. I'm price conscious about the stuff I bring in to sell to y'all, as well as a consumer myself, guys. Tungsten is getting pricey. It's also getting very, very low in supply, which is going to increase the demand and price as well. So we decided to get these in, import these in for y'all. These are the lead version of the Hyperlatch round heads. Now, you can find both of these on the website, lakeprotackle.com. I'm going to link them both down below. But let me tell you, if you like throwing a forward-facing sonar minnow, if you like throwing an Alabama rig, you're probably already throwing a lead version. So, the Range Roller, it is a lead head. There's not many tungsten companies that do a tungsten jig head super, super well. Most of them are already lead, and this is no different. One of my absolute favorite baits to throw on these is going to be the blip minnow. This is a NetBait bait fuel blip minnow, or Hextech. From NetBait. And guys, this is a 1/0 hook, and I have thrown these primarily on my Alabama rigs. I've also thrown these standard on just like a jig head minnow, and this has done exceptionally well. Now, my 2 biggest fish I've caught on this exact head here. This is a 1/8 ounce jig head on a 1/0 90-degree hook here. This has caught 2 10-pounders. This has caught a 1022 and a 1038 just this weekend. And let me tell you, these are ultra strong. Some of the things that make these hooks so good. Number one, the Hyperlatch design. Once that fish is on that hook, it's going to be extremely hard for that fish to rotate all the way out of it. That deep bend in the very back pocket of this hook allows that fish to get in but not get off. Another piece is going to be just the overall jig head design. This hook point is going to sit above the eye here, so whenever that fish goes to eat it, it's going to get hooked almost immediately. Another thing about this, they are ultra strong hooks. These Hyperlatch jig head hooks are going to be ultra strong. I've boat flipped so many 5, 6, and 7 pound fish, and I don't think I've ever actually broken the hook. Another thing I really enjoy about the Hyperlatch jig heads is they don't use a very obnoxious big bait keeper on here, and surprisingly, it really doesn't tear your bait up as much as you'd normally think. Now, a lot of bait keepers, let's say on like a jackhammer that have both clips going on the top and the bottom, that can really tear out the nose of the bait. This one does a great job of just holding it and not letting it go. Really impressed with the overall durability of this jig head, and this also has the SS coating, the Slooper Slide coating, which is kind of going to be similar to like those Teflon based coatings that allow easy hookup ratio and hook penetration. When it comes to the actual jig heads themselves in the lead version, we've got 6 different size of hooks. We've got size 1, 1/0, 2/0, 3/0, 4/0, and 5/0, which are great for striper and bigger species of fish that you're trying to catch, like pike or muskie or anything like that. Another thing is we've got multiple sizes in each of these as well. So I think, in like the size 1, we've got a little 1/16 ounce, a 1/8 ounce, going to be similar for the 1/0 and 2/0. 3/0, 4/0, and 5/0, we've got some bigger sizes. This one here in 5/0 is 3/16, and I think we actually have it up to maybe 5/16, just above a 1/4 ounce. So, you know, with the rising price of tungsten, we decided to get these lead ones in, and I have put them to the absolute test. Now, the tungsten ones, again, unfortunately, prices will continue to increase, as well as like your typical flipping weights and stuff like that. So, getting ready for those price hikes. These guys are going to be a major player, and already are a major player, not only in my boat, but most of our anglers' boats as well here at Lake Pro Tackle. So, wanted to get this video out there for y'all. Guys, I'm telling y'all, give these a try. Even if you just like throwing a standard ball head with a swim bait, these are the real deal, ultra strong, and will keep those fish pinned on your lure and hook. So guys, make sure to check them out, lakeprotackle.com. I'm going to have both of these linked below as well, and I can't wait for y'all to check them out. So we will see you next time here at Lake Pro Tackle. See you guys.